Hello everyone. So I have just been charging my phone, my other phone, not this one that I'm recording it with, this brand. This is Tranio, a power bank that has 20,000 milliamp storage of battery, and with this phone, this is Realme 8 5G. So right now, I'm not sure why it's not okay. Concentrate. Okay, it's Thursday, July 11, and I have recorded the first video for Tranio since July 7. So it's about 4 days difference, and this is the only percentage left. As you can see, this is 46%, and since then I have been charging my phone once a day with Realme 8, and right now it's 61%. Okay, that's 61%. Sometimes it's 46, sometimes it's 25. Differentiate about a lot of percentage, but it's not every day. I charge it for 50%, 45, sometimes 26, 20, sometimes 30, depending on the usage of my phone. Right now, I got early out on work because I had to do my laundry. Here's my laundry. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay, so yeah, for 4 days I have charged my phone with the power bank. For now, it's not really affecting the phone. So yeah, so that's all for now. I'm going to deplete it until 20%, I think, until I do my final review. But for now, it is really good because the charging, I'm not sure how long will it take. So that's the final verdict. But for now, it's 46. I need to charge it today, and maybe tomorrow it will be 20%, maybe it's not. Until it's not 20%, I won't charge it yet. So yeah, okay, that's all for now.